Good morning guys! Ito, magluluto tayo ng samutsam sa a different kind of vegetable. So, I already saute here with the olive oil and garlic and pimienten. So, now the string beans is already cooked. So, we will add now the I mix it with the sardine. So now I will add the coconut milk, the coconut cream. So now we will make it like this. Then we will add the string beans. So this is, I saute it with the olive oil, garlic, onion, and chili powder, salt, and others. So this is it. It will be cooked as simple as like this.